Do you want to learn to read notes faster? Then stop memorizing silly sentences. Let me explain to you why this doesn't work and what works even better. If you've ever learned to read notes before, you've probably heard these. Every good boy does fine. All cows eat grass. Good bikes don't fall apart. They're memorable and they've been around for a long time, so it feels like they must work. They're called acrostic mnemonics, which is a sentence where the first letter stands for something else to help you memorize information in order. Acrostic mnemonics have been used to teach how to read notes for over 200 years. And the surprising truth is, it doesn't work that well. This is not how musicians read music. Sorry, pal. Maybe all cows don't eat grass. Acrostic mnemonics are best for slow thinking, where you have to stop and figure things out. This is like riding your bike uphill. You need a rhythm of left foot, right foot, switching your gears, maybe even riding switchbacks. Mnemonics are best for recalling facts, but not for recognizing notes. This is because music reading is a motor skill, so you need fast thinking. Like riding your bike downhill, you don't think, you just react. The problem with mnemonics is there are just too many steps. So let's count the steps to figure out this note. Which clef is it? Is the note on a line or a space? What's the sentence for bass clef lines? Which word of the sentence is the note on? What's the first letter of that word? Where is that note on the keyboard? Your brain gets too full to handle it all. Your working memory can only hold 5 to 7 things. We already broke the limit, and that was just one note in one hand without any rhythm or technique. Worse yet, what happens when the notes go outside the staff line, which happens all the time? Now you're counting on your fingers? We just want to play the notes. So what's the secret? It's chunking. Chunking is like giving your brain grocery bags. Instead of carrying a lot of things individually, chunking groups them together so you can carry more things at once. So let's say, for example, you want to learn the colors of the rainbow in order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A mnemonic may help you keep it in order, but it's still 7 words to remember. If we chunk it, boom, now we only have 3 things to remember. And this is how musicians read notes. Not with mnemonics, but by using chunks and patterns. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this useful, give this video a like, and if you want more, subscribe. Coming up next, how to read treble clef notes using the chunking method with just one simple word.